Hello everyone, I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. What we was saw in first standard? We was saw man-made things and natural things about computers and parts about computer. Now anyone can tell what is this? This is monitor. What is this? Monitor. What is this? Keyboard. Why it is called as a keyboard? Because it having many keys on it, that's why it is called as a keyboard. Next, what is this? Mouse. It is called as a pointing device, and main part of the computer is CPU. What is the long form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. What we have done is stored in CPU. CPU can store it everything. Now we will see our lesson number 1. Lesson name is computer, a versatile machine. What is meant by versatile? Versatile means all-rounder. Computer is all-rounder machine. Means by using computer we can draw pictures, we can listen music, we can play games, we can watch movies, we can calculate on it, we can write letter or greeting on it, and we can store everything in computer. Now we will see what is meant by computer. Computer is an electronic machine. Why it is called as an electronic machine? Anyone can tell? No. Okay. Computer is an electronic machine. Why it is electronic machine? Because it run on electricity. That's why it is called as a electronic machine. Same like computer, there are so many machines that run on the electricity. Now anyone can tell that machines? Yes, good. Fan. Next, TV. Good. Next, washing machine. Good. Fridge. Nice. Now, computer is an man-made machine. Why we call as a man-made machine? Because computer is made by man. It is not a natural thing. It is made by man. It works on good electricity. Computer works on electricity, and computer help us to work easier and faster. Means our teacher gives us one example to solve to us also and to computer also. Then who can solve fast? Nice, computer. Computer can solve fast and without any mistake. And computer saves our time. Computer can do any work very fast. Next, function of a computer. What is the function of computer? Why we are using the computer? What is the use of computer? By using computer we can draw, right? By using computer we can draw. In first standard we was drawing computer or no? Yes. Where we was draw? Nice, in paint. Same like that, computer, by using computer we can draw. Next, by using computer we can listen music, right? By using computer we can listen music also, and by using computer we can play game. If we want to movie, then we can watch this movie on computer also. Next, we can do calculation on computer, right? We can do calculations also on computer. If you want to write letter, or if you want to write greeting, if you want to send any message to our friends or relative, by using computer we can send. How we can send? Our friend is not in Solapur, but we want to send any letter or any message, then how we can send? Yeah, by using email ID, or while writing on email we can send any letter, greeting or messages to our friends or relatives. Next, we can store or we can collect all data in a computer. If we don't want this data now, but if you want this data afterwards, then we can store this data in computer. Next, how computer works? How computer works? Firstly, what we have saw, computer is an electronic machine. Computer works very fast. If we give proper instruction to the computer, then computer can give result very proper without doing any mistake. Means how it is do exactly. If we give input to the computer, then it process on it and afterwards it gives output. Means, one more example I will tell you. If we want to do a juice of orange, then what we have to do? Firstly, we have to take a orange, then we have to cut it, we have to peel it, and we have to put in a mixture jar. And when we start the mixture jar, then we will get the orange juice. In that example, orange is a input, mixture jar is the mixture jar, and mixer is the processing device. And what we get? Orange juice. Orange juice is the output device. Understand? How will we get output? Means computer can accept input from us, process it on what we given input, it process, and afterwards it display the output on where? Yes, it display the output on monitor. Next, computer and main. Means, what is the difference between computer and main? Why we use computer? Without computer, man cannot work. Without computer also man work, but if computer is not there, then we require more people, more manpower and more time also. But if one computer is there, then it helps us more. So, what is the difference between main and computer? Computer works very fast. Man can work very fast? No. Man require time. Computer can works very fast and it perform a large number of calculation in a second. But man cannot work fast as a computer. Man can also work, but it cannot work as fast as computer. Next, computer does not get tired. If when we come to school and after going home, our mother tell sit for study, then we can sit? No. That time we tell to our mother, I am very tired, I will do study afterwards. But hour and hour, if we sit long hour on the computer works without tired. Computer does not get tired. It can work long time or long hours. Man get tired after he works some hour. Next, A computer can store lots of information, but man can store more information. Man can store, but like computer it cannot store. For example, everyone is studying for exam, but when we are sitting for exam, as it is we can write for exam? No, we cannot write. Why? Because we don't have memory like computer. We can write, but not as it is. Computer does not make mistake if the instruction given is correct. Computer does not make any mistake when we give a correct input or correct instruction, but there is a chance to man make mistake. Computer does not get bored of replacing a same work, repeating the same work so many times. But man get bored if he does same work many times. Means when we are going for practical, our blueberry students is doing paint, our mulberry student is also doing paint, but computer is telling now don't sit, I am getting bored. No, computer does not tell us like that. Computer does not get bored if it is doing repeated or same work, but man is get bored after doing same work many times. But computer also having drawback. Means what? Computer is also not a perfect. Computer is having some points that computer can not do but man can do. Which are they? Computer does not think, right? Or computer can think. Computer, if you are writing something, then computer is saying on what? Don't write, it is wrong. No, computer does not having a thinking power, and it does not having any feelings. Computer does not having any feelings. Man can think also, and man has a feelings also. Computer cannot take decision. If we are having confusion, then computer is helping us to take any decision? No, computer does not take any decision. It works according to the instruction given by man. Means what we are giving input or what we are giving instruction to the computer, on that instruction or on that input computer is working. Computer does not having its own brain. Man can take its own decision, right? If you want to wear a red color dress and your mother tell don't wear this dress, then you having decision power or no? Yes, we having decision power. Computer run on electricity. Then man can run on electricity? No, we can't run on electricity. But computer run on electricity. What we have learned in that chapter? About firstly we saw the parts of computer. Computer having 4 main parts. Which are they? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU. Then functions of a computer. Which functions computer having? By using computer we can write, we can listen music, we can play game, we can watch movies, we can write on that, we can calculate also on computer, when we can store more information. Then how computer works? It takes input from us, process on it and gives us output. Means input device is which there? Input device is keyboard and mouse. Processing device, CPU, and output device, monitor. And difference between main and computer. Now we will see in skill sheet. First is fill in the blanks. Computer is a what? Computer is a machine, right? Next, computer is made by man, M-A-N. Computer is made by man. A computer helps us to do the work faster, F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Computer helps us to do our work faster, F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Computer saves our time, T-I-M-E, and energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Computer saves our time and energy. Next, we will see additional fill in the blanks. The CPU controls the computer. Who controls the computer? CPU, Central Processing Unit. The monitor shows what is being done on the computer. Who is showing what is doing or what is done on the computer? Monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. A computer plays music through speaker, S-P-E-A-K-E-R. We listen music on computer, but which device is useful for listen music? Speaker, S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker. We can move the pointer on the screen using the mouse, M-O-U-S-E. Here is cursor, it is pointer. It is by using which device we can move? Mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. We can enter letters and numbers into the computer using the keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Which device is useful for enter the letters and number? Keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. Name the three distance functions that the computer carry out. Means what is doing computer? Why we are using the computer? By using computer we can draw and paint. Next, second number, we can listen music. Good. Next, we can play games also on computer, and we can watch movies on computer. We can do calculations on computer. Next, write the difference between computer and main. What is difference between computer and main? Here is the computer and here is the main. What is difference between computer and main? It can work very fast. Who can work very fast? Good. Computer can work very fast. Man cannot work fast as computer. Man can work but not fast as computer. computer cannot get tired. Man can get tired. Computer does not make any mistake. Man can does mistake. It can not think. Who cannot think? Computer. Computer cannot think. Man can think. What is difference between computer and us? Computer can work very fast. Man cannot work as fast as computer. Computer does not get tired. Man can get tired. Computer does not make any mistake, but man can do any, there is a chance man can does any mistake. Computer does not think. Man can think. Next, there is some examples of input, machine, processing and output. Okay, first example is given here, pencils. There are pencils, these are input device, and machine is what? Sharpener. Machine is sharpener. If you want to sharpen the pencil, then we use the sharpener. When we put this pencil in sharpener, this is processing, and we get sharp by using sharpener. Then it is output. Next example of machine is washing machine. Then for washing machine, what is the input device? Input device is dirty cloths. Input device is dirty cloths, and if you want to wash this cloths, then by using hand also we can wash, but it requires more time and more energy. But if we use machine, then it is easy for us. One more example is what? Washing machine. Dirty cloths is input device. Machine is, who is machine here? Washing machine. And processing is what? When we put dirty cloths in washing machine and it process, it is a processing. And what output will we get? Yes, we will get the washed cloths. Right? Now we will see one more example for machine is mixer. Here orange. Orange is what? Input. And next machine is what? Mixer. If you want to make a orange juice, in that device, orange is the input device, mixer is the machine. When we cut these oranges and put into a mixture jar, then when we start this mixture, then it is a processing, and we will get the orange juice. Orange juice is what? Output device. How many machines we see here? First machine is sharpener, next is washing machine, and next is mixture jar. Right? There are so many machines that we are using. Why we are using? Because we want our work easy. That's why we are using that machines. Next, study the features given in the box carefully, and now join the computer do its feature. What is doing computer and what is not doing? Which feature computer having, we have to join it to the computer. These are some features. And what is this? Good. It is computer. All parts together we call computer. First is there was given, what is this? I can remember lots of things. Computer can think, computer can remember lots of things. Yes, that's why they was joined to the computer, right? Next is, I do calculation quickly. Computer can do calculation quickly, yes or no? Good, yes. Then we have to join. Next, I can think and take decision. Computer can think and take decision? Yes or no? No. Then we can join or no? No. Good. I do not work on electricity. Computer is not work on electricity. Computer is work on electricity or not work on electricity? Work. Good. But what is the sentence is? Computer is not work on electricity. Then we not join this line. I have my own memory. Computer having its own memory? No, computer does not having its own memory. Next is, I do not get bored of doing the same work again and again. Computer can get bored if he is doing or if it is doing same work again and again. No, computer does not get bored. That's why we join this line. And last is, I get tired easily. Computer can get tired easily? No, computer does not get tired. We can work on computer hour on hour. Okay? What we were saw in that chapter? What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. What is the features of computer? Why we are using the computer? For listening music, for playing game, for watching movies, for calculations also we are using the computer. How exactly computer works? Computer take input from us, process on it and gives output on monitor. Next, what is difference between computer and man? That we was saw in this lecture. Okay? Then you having some homework. What is the homework? You have to read the lesson number 1 and you have to find out the hard words. Hard words means what? Don't copy from your friend. Hard words means what? You read this lesson and which word you can't read. Underline this word and try to read this word, and if possible write this hard words and read it 5 or 6 times. Okay? Thank you.